Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic E70 or E71?
E70.
E70. This car, we changed the engine computer before BMW, but after we left, the car doesn't want to come out of the neutral. I mean, like it's park. The car doesn't move. If you notice here, you see here, that thing never move. Stay P, never move. So because the computer is new, maybe we have to go on AutoHex and we have to program the computer, the transmission computer, because they don't know each other's. So I'm gonna go here, connect my AutoHex, and I go to BMW. I'm supposed to get the voltage, which is good, 15. And now I will go to coding and programming. Let me go back, not diagnose, coding and program. Let's see diagnose what's there. Any codes?
No codes.
Let me go to coding and programming. Now we're gonna wait a little bit to communicate with the car, reading all the information. We must have internet also ready, because we have to connect the tools to the internet to download the software. Yes, it's open. Here we're not gonna go to programming. We just go to cast DMEISN, double click on it. And now here we're gonna go to number 3, read SN reset EGS SN, number 3. I'm gonna click on it, and it say that this function will reset EWS for the EGS H8HP. It will need to perform EGS programming during the process. You must be connected to the internet to use this function. Do I have internet? Yes, because if you don't have internet from the beginning, this thing will never work. Yeah, I having internet, so I will say yes. Now I'm gonna turn the key off. The engine was running. I'm gonna put the ignition on, and I will click next. Preparing ECU for flashing. Good. So as you see here, preparing flashing. Have the right computer. Downloading required flash data from electronic server. Which computer?
No, turn on the charger.
Okay, now erasing flashing programming part. You see here, it come like this, and as I told you, this one disappear. There is nothing now, because anything inside the transmission is being erased from the memory center. We need to put a new software, and that if there is no software, that means there is no spirit inside the car. There is nothing to talk to. That's why everything is gone. There is some kind of software that drive the light bulb that is here. Now we are 5%. Okay, now we are 95%. I believe this is only the beginning. We are writing a flash data for programming parts. It can do this 3-4 times. Okay. Restarting module. Maybe it will do it another time too. Do not move, do not disconnect. So if you change the engine computer for this E70 with the 8HB, if you change the engine computer, you must program the transmission control module. I never did it before when I changed the engine computer, because I don't have any idea that it needed. Now we see we are going to erase, and this is a whole system that is going to go again from 100%, again also 100%. It erase, it program. You see now writing flash data for data part again. But this one it look like faster. No, you don't move. Because you have to send some information to your to your followers every new things they need to know. You need to know. We need to discover things. Like that TSB for that code, computer have to be upgraded to the latest software. When somebody have a problem and you have all the details, it will help. It will not let you waste time. It's just like the code P0101.
Oh, Nissan, right?
Nissan, when you have it, don't scratch your head. Update the computer to the latest software. Restarting, you see now you write the VIN number, ECU flash code complete. Now preparing ECU for flashing again. You believe that? That's a lot. Are you serious? You gotta do it again? Okay. If it's gonna repeat, okay, you see, download now require flash data from the Mactronic, because here still it come on now erasing flash. I don't know why he keep doing this, but it does that a couple of times. Okay, you see the transmission message here, and we have this sign also here. We're gonna wait. We come back. Okay. This is setting flash signature. So we are talking about signature. And all this must be done with the internet on. If you don't have no internet, you cannot do it. Okay, 100%. Restarting. Manual. Let me see what's gonna happen here. Again, erasing flash for data part. See? Sometimes it takes quicker when you're writing. Restart the module. Yes, you see the light come up. 100%. Sometime from restarting is go to coding. I just want to know what's gonna happen here. Okay, ECU flash code complete, because he's right, the VIN was been declared. Do you want to code? Yes. Okay, so we're gonna go back here. He coded already, everything done by here. So I'm gonna turn the key off. Just a little bit, right? Not yet. The car is not started. Start the car. Push the brake. Here. Yes. And you're gonna move. Good.
Best car fixes.
Best car fixes. My friend here is happy. He is loving, he is very happy. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris.